If you are looking for a screen for your vehicle with Apple Carplay and Android Auto wireless and that it has a dashcam included, in today's video we're gonna test this SPRLEAF screen, 10-inch screen with dashcam, front and rear dashcam. This is a 4K dashcam for the front and 1080p for the rear. So in today's video we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see how good it is in today's video. Coming up next. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the screen. It's 10.26 inches the screen. Look at this, it's amazing. The camera is on the back, and this one has CarPlay Auto too. That's amazing. It has a rear camera too for 1080p with the connection, the sticker for the to install it. The micro SD card is included, 64 gigs. That's amazing. Comes extra cable for the audio if you need it. The power cable, USB-C to cigarette lighter connection. That's great. Extra clips to hide the cables, and the manual. The brand is SPRLEAF. So this is everything that comes inside of the box. There's a little problem because the dashboard, it has a texture. The mount doesn't want to stick. It falls. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for the test, I'm gonna place a piece of vinyl and let's see if that helps. But this is temporarily, this is just to test the camera because my car already has a screen, but this is to test this screen. So I'm gonna put like this, because this vinyl is removable, like that. And now let's see if this one sticks. Yeah, yes, stick better. Okay, so it worked with the vinyl. That's a good trick. So now it's on the dashboard. So now let's turn it on and let's see how it works. Okay, now let's see how the camera works. These are the front camera, rear camera, and if you swipe your finger to the left or to the right like this, you can switch the camera, the front, the rear, or both cameras at the same time. Okay, and it has some options here. This one is to stop the recording, start recording, to lock the video, but I don't want to do. I did lock the video. And you can take a screenshot like that. This is for the main menu. I think this one, let me see, it's for the Wi-Fi. Yeah, to connect to the Wi-Fi. And this is turn on and off the audio. Okay, so that's everything on the camera menu. Okay, so let's go to the home menu, this one here, and this is the home screen. Okay, here you can change the brightness of the camera like this or like that. Okay, the volume here, same thing here on the middle. All right, so it has CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Android Cast, Wi-Fi, the audio, and playback, and the settings. Let's start with the settings. Okay, language, you can leave it in English. The sound, on and off, you can turn it off, the sound that makes the beeps. The date, okay, for now we're gonna leave it like that, is PM, confirm. Okay, and then the storage, that's how much space it has on the SD card. Format, you can format the SD card in here, but I don't want to do it right now. Reset to the factory settings in there. The firmware, that's the firmware of this. Okay, and then we can go to the camera settings, camera format, 1080p, and then record resolution, 2K. Let's put in 2K. Okay, Segment duration, each video 1 minute. I always like to put it in 1 minute because if you put it in bigger 3 or 5, it takes longer to download. Okay. Collision sensitivity, let's leave it in low. The microphone, you can turn it on and off in there. Then mirror on, okay, for the rear one. Okay. Reverse line calibration, that's when you reverse the car, so I can put it like that and then like that. Okay, and then confirm. Boom. Okay, and then the general, let's go to the general. Screensaver, off and on. You can turn it on and off. Left rubber hand drive, yes, we are left hand drive. Split screen, you can do it like this or like this. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. The brightness, auto mode, let's see. Yeah, that's good. Assistive touch, it's on. Clear connections, you can clear the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, everything recorded on the camera. For now, we don't have anything. So that's everything for the settings. Okay, so next, let's go back home. Okay, now let's connect the CarPlay. Let's go here. We have to turn on the Bluetooth and find this on the Bluetooth. Let's do that next. So I'm here, the Bluetooth is right here, T86 Pro. Let's click that. It says pair, allow. All right. Yes. Well, I'm gonna stop it because I don't want no copyright. So let's go to the main. Look at that. That's amazing. So it has everything. It has a little bit of delay, but it's fine. Can see it. That's good. It's amazing. So you have everything in here for Apple CarPlay. That's amazing. So everything works. I don't want to put the maps because it's gonna show my location, but everything works pretty good in here. Cool. So the Apple CarPlay works. That's amazing. So now the cool thing about this Apple CarPlay, if you leave everything connected, every time you connect your car, you turn on your car, this one, it will turn on automatically, the Apple CarPlay. Okay, so this is the CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay to connect your phone, to mirror your phone to the screen, Android Cast to mirror your phone with Android Cast. So let's see the Wi-Fi video. Confirm. Oh, you have to do it through this app, okay? But I don't want to download that app right now. So let's go back. And this one is for the audio. You have different forms from audio. The speaker is the speaker of this screen. This one, Bluetooth, with the Bluetooth of your phone or your car stereo. Okay. FM, you can select a station with your stereo and it will connect by FM radio. Okay. And the auxiliary, this one, is with a cable. You can connect the cable in the back, and that cable you can connect it to your stereo, to your head unit, and you can hear the audio from the screen in there. Okay, so that's everything. Okay, to view the videos, you have to go to the playback icon, this one, click on that one, like that, stop the recording, and here you have three options: video, photos, and log videos. Go to the videos, and here, yeah, so that's the video. You can see the videos there. That's nice. Okay, and you can change it over here. Okay, so that's how to view the videos. Okay, and now to download the videos, you have to download this app, Vidur. So now I have the app right here. Okay, you have to go to the Wi-Fi and find the RTSP. Go to that one and put the password. The password is right there on the screen. And then click join. Join. It's connected. And now let's go to the app. All right, so it's connected. And now that you have this, you can go to camera files. And right there you have all the videos. You can select the video that you want to download, like this one. And here on this icon, just click download and you can download the video. All right. So I'm not gonna download that right now. And that's how to download the videos for this screen. You have to download this app. Okay, now it's time to see the day view for the front camera. The front camera is a 4K resolution. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. It shakes a little bit because of the tape I put it to hold it, but as you can see, the license plates, they look very good. The resolution is very good. I can see what kind of car it is. Everything is very clear. Even here with the glare of the sun, it's still very good. So the front camera is good. I approve it. It looks nice. And now this is the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is at 1080p resolution. The resolution is a little bit lower, and as you can see, I had to flip the screen because it was flipped. But as you can see, the license plate, even on the rear camera 1080p resolution, it looks pretty good. It looks great. As you can see, everything is good. I can see the cars, what kind of car it is. So for the rear camera during the day, it's good. Okay, and now this is the night view for the front camera, 4K resolution for the front camera. This one has night vision. Everything looks amazing, super good. I can see the cars, very good, license plates. Everything looks great. Even the sky, even that is at night, it looks very good at night. Okay, and now this is the night view for the rear camera. 1080p resolution. It looks super good. The only problem is the glare from the cars. They do affect a little bit on the camera, as you can see, but I can still see the license plate, but the glare affects a little bit on the rear camera, but the resolution is great. So now that you already saw the videos, you can decide if you want to buy this screen. It is great. It has Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It has a DashCam included, 4K for the front, 1080p for the rear. So everything, it looks great in my opinion. So the link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below if you wanna get it. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video. If you have a question, put it in the comments. Thank you for watching. God bless you and see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye. Okay guys, and it's time to announce the winner of the giveaway. I'm gonna put the comment over here of the winner. So congratulations to the winner. Contact me on Instagram, Facebook, or send me email on my website. Okay, so be careful with the scammers. I will never ask for money. So congratulations to the winner. On the next video, we're gonna announce the next giveaway. So thank you for watching. Thank you for putting comments on the videos. Thank you for the support. God bless you. And on the next video, we're gonna announce the next giveaway. Thank you. God bless you and see you on the next video.